Hello friends, so today we are solving this problem under daily LeetCode problems. So divide a string into group of size k. So string s is can be partitioned into group of size k using the following procedure. So we can understand directly here. So we are given one k integer array integer k and one character in the fill and one string we are given. So basically what we have to do is we have to divide this string into the list of substring of size k. Okay, so in the size k, so for example this is our string. So if we divide it, it can be easily divided like a b c d e f g h I. Okay, and this string, these substrings can be written as a list. This would be our answer, but the thing is there could be it's need not to be the perfectly divisible length. Okay, so in this case, because size is n here, for this string size is n and the k is 3, so 3 divided by 9 divided by 3, it can easily give us the three size answer array. But there could be the other cases, like if I change this string further and let me make it I am adding one more character into it, I and j, let's say. In this case, what will happen if we go to divide it into the group of 3? This would be 3, okay, ABC, then we can take DEF, then we can take GHI, but this is only J. So we need to having one or two more characters, but two more characters are not there. So what we will do is we will take the last whatever character, it could be 1, 2 or whatever, and the remaining so we need two more character here, right? Because j is one only and we need, so in this case we can fill this character x, the given in the question for us. So you can see here in any example, you can see here this is a string given to us, then we are given one k and fill x. Okay, so we have to fill this x in case it is not a completely divisible size. Then what will happen, we can return this string like this. So we can fill this x 2 times because we need the k equal to 3 sides. So this would be our answer, ABC, DEF, GHI and JXX. Okay, so this is what we have to do. Now the thing is, how to do that is like we can do the substring, but substring operations on the string is expensive. So we should, first of all, we can convert this string to string builder so that our deletion and other operations would be faster. So we can easily convert like SB equal to string builder of this. We can convert just directly to the string builder corresponding object. Okay, so if we convert this into string builder object, we can pass it like this, and now this would be in string builder. So before that, first of all, what we have to do, we will get the size of it. Let's say this n is equal to size of this s length, so s dot length. Okay, this will give us size. Now what we will check is, first of all, we will check that whether it is divisible by k or not. Okay, so let's say we are getting the remainder. So remainder r equal to n%k. Okay, n%k. This will give us remainder. So in case if r is equal to 0, that means it is perfectly divisible. So what we have to do is we will just directly keep on taking 3 and 3 in this case like 3 or in general k size things. But if r is not equal to 0, if r is not equal to 0, in that case what we will do is up to here, the last one, up to the remainder one, we would be keep on taking the size of k string, and then at the end we would be filling it. So you can understand with this code here. So let me show you what I'm doing here is, see here, this is my code. Let me show you. So first of all, what I am doing is I am taking the how many groups would be there. So n equal to s length of s divided by k. These many groups would be the one which we can directly find from the length without using the fill. And this is the remainder, that how many missing fields might be there. To decide this, remainder would be the thing. Now see here, for the resultant array, what we are doing is, what would be the size? In case of r is not equal to 0, then we need to have the whatever n we got here plus 1. because we need to add the extra string as well. So that is why I am creating this resultant string array of size n. We have updated n here in case if remainder is greater than I mean it is not 0. Then what we are doing here, we have just created one integer p equal to 0 initially, and so that we can fill this array. Now see here, I am converting my string into the string builder so that our faster operations would be there. Now see here what I am doing, till the time sb.length is greater than or equal to k, that means we can get the k characters from the string. At that time what we are doing, we are taking the substring starting from 0 till k. Okay, so we are taking this into the this array. Now what we are doing, we are also deleting those k strings from the sb string, from the string builder. We are deleting those k characters because that is no of use for us, and then we are increasing this p++. So we will keep on doing this, and then the condition would be violated when its size would be smaller than k. At that time we will come out of this loop, and then what we were doing here is we will check that if sb.length is greater than 0, in that case what we will do, we will create a variable of this length, whatever is the length of sb currently, and we are checking that how many remaining characters are there. Like in our case, in this case j we already got from here, and k is 3, right? So sb length would be at the end of, after doing the 3 operation, sb would be having only j character, right? It would be having only j character. So here how many characters required? 2 more characters required. So how to get this, that how many required? That would be basically whatever is the length, so k minus length of sb, right? So that is why we are doing this thing. So see here, we are starting from 0 until the less than k minus length. That many times we are appending in sb with this fill character, right? So same way we would be append here x and x 2 times, x here and x here, so that last would be jxx of size k, so 3 in this case. So we are filling that, and now we are again putting this value, the last value, into the this answer array, result array. Okay, so finally we are returning it. So let me execute this code. So yeah, so what would be the time complexity here? So here we are doing only the one time traversal of the string. So this is in the linear way, so we are taking O of n time complexity. So thank you for watching this video, and if you guys have any concern, please make a comment over there. Thank you.